I'm Paul Cebar. We're Paul Cebar Tomorrow Sound. The new record is called Fine Rude Thing. This is called Baby Shake. Something told her red and to try and take it with her, so she put it in a makeup kit. Everything she had was in that blue bag. She was getting pretty tired of it. She started naming names of people who'd pay tribute to her hi-hat ways. Trumpets used to sound everywhere around Loretta in a good old days. But now that's all gone. There ain't nothing left to take. You're picking over bones, it's time to go home. Don't let that screen door hit your baby shake. Jimmy had it early and he didn't think he'd really ever need it, so he stowed it away. Took up with a Connie, she was just off the farm. She laid him low with her feminine ways. They laid it on the line, and just about that time she left him by the highway side. Jimmy took his crown, he crushed it to the ground. He always knew he'd have to pay for the ride. But now that's all gone. There ain't nothing left to take. Picking over bones, time to go home. Don't let that screen door hit your baby shake. I bet that door now fits your baby shake. Left to take. You're picking all them bones, it's time to go home. Don't let that screen door hit your baby shake. I bet that door now fits your baby shake. Don't let that screen door hit your baby shake.